Welcome. If you've ever noticed your voice getting cut off, or your audio not sounding quite right during Discord calls, the built-in echo cancellation feature might be the reason. While echo cancellation is designed to help, sometimes it can actually make things worse by mistakenly muting you or distorting your audio. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable echo cancellation on Discord Mobile, so you can take full control of your voice quality. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your user settings, where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your account. Once you're in your settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, tap on the option that says Voice. This is where you'll find all the important audio settings for your Discord experience. Now, scroll down within the voice settings until you see a section called Voice Processing. Under this section, you'll spot the toggle for echo cancellation. By default, this might be turned on to help reduce echo during calls. But if you're experiencing issues like your voice cutting out or not being heard clearly, it's a good idea to turn this off. Simply tap the toggle next to echo cancellation to switch it off. That's it. You've now disabled echo cancellation on Discord Mobile. Disabling this feature can help if you're using headphones or if echo cancellation is interfering with your audio. If you notice any improvement in your call quality, you've made the right choice. And remember, you can always come back and turn it back on if you ever need it again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends or leaving a comment with your experience. Enjoy clearer conversations on Discord.